Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my channel, Travel Diaries Odisha. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, for whom how Swaraj was important. Swaraj, which means self-rule, according to him, was going to change, was going to strengthen the cultural and economic character of India. It was not the fancy MNCs, it was not the large corporate emporiums, but the revival of the traditional craft which had been ruined during the British rule was going to play a very important role for the revival of India's economy. Unfortunately, after independence, the idea of Swaraj was forgotten. And uh, after 90s, when the liquorizations of economy happened, so craft sector was completely ruined. There was much more focus to machine-made objects. It was filled with the penetration of Chinese goods. So in the entire rural heartland of India, you would see the massive penetration of Chinese goods, and that replaced the traditional craft which have been practiced in India for a very long time. Now, when we see the COVID-19 situation, the pandemic COVID-19 situation, the issues of the migrants, the issues of the loss of livelihood. So now again, in many sectors, both in the government as well as in the private, there is a deeper realization how we create actually the craft, how we revive the craft, which has almost lost. So here I want to introduce you with introduce a friend called uh, Saini Kuntia, who has initiated a startup called Folkmate. For last 3 years, he has been trying out continuously in this craft revival process. All of us know about palm leaf craft, which we call Tadapatra craft in Odisha, and it is one of the most vibrant craft institutions in the state, going back to time immemorial. So Odisha has plenty of resources of palm trees. So our artisans, especially in the region of Raghurajpur and surrounding villages near Puri, they have been practicing this craft for a very long time. And lot of travelers, lot of from urban areas, from metropolitan cities, from across the world, they come and they buy their products. And these products mostly depict the mythological stories, especially the rasa of Krishna and Radha, the stories of Lord Jagannath, the mythological stories of Odisha, the Kama Sutra stories, and they are definitely vibrant. But as time has moved, now people are looking for more utilitarian objects out of palm leaf craft. So, Folkmate actually realized that how they could revive and fulfill the demand of the contemporary market. And that is how this village where Kamang, which I am going to introduce you, uh, it's very close to Bhubaneswar, on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar, has emerged as a major cluster for the craft of palm leaf. So here I am going to introduce you with the young artisans in this presentation, who has taken several initiatives to empower local young people, including boys and girls, and otherwise they would not have got any jobs in the village, so they had to migrate out, or maybe they would have to come to Bhubaneswar for doing jobs. But here there is a lot of dignity, and they are not just working in the craft, there is also a lot of job satisfactions. And now the demand is going already. Saini has taken several steps and also taking steps how this craft would be scaled up in the village, and will meet the need of contemporary market, and at the same time would be able to help uh, generate local employment, which is almost impossible in the other sectors. So I wish all the best, and let her actually fulfill the dream what Mahatma Gandhi had visualized almost centuries back. So I wish her all the best, and let's go through the presentation. Thank you.
ମୋର ଗାଁ ଖମଙ୍ଗ ଶାସନ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆର୍ଟ କରୁଛି ତାଳପତ୍ର କାମ କରେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଝିଅମାନେ ବି ଏଠି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ ମୁଁ ବି ଭଲ କାମ କରି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଅଛି ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗାଁ ଗହଳିରେ ରହିକି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାଟା ହେଉଛି ଏଇଟା ବି ଭଲ କାମ କରିପାରିବେ କେଉଁଠି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବି ପଡ଼ିବନି ଗାଁରେ ରହିକି ବି ଆମେ କାମ କରିପାରିବା ବହୁତ ଝିଅ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାଇକି ଜବ୍ ବି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ତାଳପତ୍ର କାମ କରିକି ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ଖୁସି ଅଛି ବହୁତ ଭଲ କାମ ବି ଗାଁରେ ବି ବହୁତ ଝିଅ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାକି ଏମିତି ବି ଚିତ୍ର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ଖରାପ ବି ନାହିଁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କରିପାରିବା ଏମିତି ଜବ୍ରେ ଯେତିକି ବି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁଛେ ଜବ୍ ମନି ବି ନେଇପାରୁଛେ ସେମିତି ତାଳପତ୍ରରେ ବି ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ବି କରିପାରୁଛି
ମୋ ନାଁ ପ୍ରଦୀପ୍ତ ଗୋଛାତ ମୋତେ 28 ବର୍ଷ ମୁଁ ତାଳପତ୍ର କାମ 8 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି କାମ କଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରେ ଗଣ୍ଡମୁଣ୍ଡିରେ କାମ ଶିଖି ଆସିଛି ଆମେ 8 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ପଟ୍ଟଚିତ୍ର ଆଉ ତାଳପତ୍ର ଉପରେ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂ କାମ କରୁଥିଲୁ ଏଇ ଦୀର୍ଘ 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଫୋକମେଟ୍ରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଛୁ ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ ୟୁଟିଲିଟି ବକ୍ସ ଯଦି ବନାଉଛୁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଓନ୍ଲି ତାଳପତ୍ରରେ ବନିଆ ହେଉଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଏ ଜିନିଷଟା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା ସମସ୍ତେ ତ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ତ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପେପର୍ ହେଉ ଯେଉଁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ବନାଉଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଜିନିଷର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ରହୁଛି କ'ଣ ନା ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ନୂଆ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ତାଳପତ୍ର ଜିନିଷରେ କିଛି ନୂଆ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ତ କିଛି କିଛି କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାମ ନା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ବନେଇଲେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ବି ରହୁଛି କିଛି ଏ କାମ କଲା ଦିନଠୁ ଆମେ ବି କିଛି ପିଲା ବି ସ୍ୱାବଲମ୍ବୀ ଏଥିରେ ହେଲଣି କାରଣ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ଏଥିରେ 25ରୁ 30 ପିଲା ବି ସ୍ୱାବଲମ୍ବୀ ହେଲଣି ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ବି ଏ ଜିନିଷଟା ବଢ଼ାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଯେମିତିକି କିଛି ପିଲା ଏଥିରେ ମାନେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଅନ୍ୟ ଜାଗାକୁ ନ ଯାଇକି ଏଥିରେ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ରୋଜଗାର ପନ୍ଥା ବି ନିଜେ ବି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ कारण आम चाहूँ कि विभिन्न पिला भी ये कम छाड़ी दौरान ना बर्तमान बर्तमान पे कि कारण किसी देखुं मार्केटिंग होनी आउ कि पिला कहना ये पैसा ना से आम देखिलु ना ये जिनसटा बने डिमांड रोचे आउ डिमांड रहा द्वारा भी किसी आम पाखे बर्तमान 25 प्लस स्वावलम्बी है से कहते आम बाहर कम करूँ ना आम फोकमेट्रे जॉइन कर कम करूँ आम भी ये रही किसी दिन से देखिले देखिले जे नाई प्रडक्ट भल भल बेपार हो कम हो बिजनेस हो आर चाहिदा भी रोचे से नाई आम बाहर को न जाए ये आम कम करूँ मैडम सहित फोकमेट्रे आम कुआड़ को जीवार ना।